Okay, here we go, guys. Last chapter, test, last review. First concept here is solve the given equation. This one's the easy variety. If you have the same bases, I have an 8, an 8, and an 8, then that means the exponents must be equal. We got to remember rules of exponents. We got to add those fractions together and then set them equal to 5. So we have x over 3 plus x over 6, and that's going to equal to 5. Because when you're multiplying the same bases, like if I said x squared times x cubed, I don't multiply 2 by 3. If I have like bases, I add the exponents. This would be x to the 5th. So that's why I'm adding these two exponents right here. So let's use our old topic 1 technique of busting up the fraction by multiplying everything by the common denominator 6. So 3 goes into 6 2 times. That's going to be 2x plus x equals 30. So that's 3x equals 30. So x must equal 10. Okay, next question, same concept, but in this case, you got to change the bases on your own. So I have a 32 and a 2, and we need to remember the multiplicative property of exponents. If I have an exponent to an exponent, I, in this case, do multiply the exponents. Okay, so it's 2 to the first power. 32 can be written as a power of 2. It is 2 to the 5th. So instead of that 32 right there, I'm going to write that inside as 2 to the 5th power. And that is raised to the 1/2. And then I have a 2 right there. 2 raised to the x over 2. So I'm multiplying these like bases. So I add the exponents. But first, I have to multiply right there. It's 2 to the 5 over 2. 5 times 1/2 is just 5 over 2 times 2 to the x over 2. And I have on this side 2 to the first. So let's now set the exponents equal. We have 1 is the exponent equals 5 over 2 plus x over 2. Let's multiply everything by 2 on both sides to get rid of those fractions. 2 equals 5 plus x. Subtract 5 from both sides, and you get -3 equals x. All right, one more. They're making a 5-minute limit on these free screencastify videos. I hope I get this one on time. Remember, for exponentials like this or radicals with fractional denominators, the index is the denominator, as you see right here. If it's the xth root of y to the n, the index is the denominator and vice versa. So let's see. A, it's going to be 2 to the 5 over 4 power. That's going to be this one. This is 5 to the 1/2. So that's this one. And then I'll let you guys do C and D on your own using the same concept. Okay, first video down.